For reading and writing today, we are reading the books Hi, Fly Guy by Ted Arnold and It's a Good Thing There Are Insects by Alan Fowler. So, the book Hi, Fly Guy by Ted Arnold, I have actually sent to a few of you with your very cool Walmart packages that you will be getting soon. So, to read the two books, press on one of the book titles. You should be able to access it. Remember, if you can't, go ahead and go to the slide that says reading instructions, and it will give you the login information to BookFlix. So you are going to press the play button to watch and read along with Hi, Fly Guy, and then you're going to go to read the book. To read along with the book, It's a Good Thing There Are Insects. Then the puzzlers are word match, fact or fiction, and which came first. Dive deeper is explore the web and meet the creators. When you are done with this, you're going to want to go back to your writing journal and respond to what you read. So for something that you found interesting, you can start your sentence with I notice and go ahead and put a period at the end of that. For a question that you had as you read or before you read, you are going to start your question with I wonder and at the end put a question mark. For a connection that you made as you were reading, a great sentence starter is this book reminds me of, don't forget your period at the end. When you are all done and it's your best work, press the X and the blue turn in button. Then make sure to go on to Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. Do your phonics assignment and turn it in, and then practice your reading. Pretty soon, all of you are going to have books that I will have sent you from Walmart, and you can read those books to practice your reading. Or, as always, you can go on Epic Books, which I have put the login information for on today's assignment. All right, happy reading.